What if the place you've been waiting, the seat you've been holding, is actually holding you back? That pew isn't a place. It's a posture of silence, a choice to stay on the sidelines of your own life. Delmar Johnson's book, Get Off the Pew, is your 40-day guide to changing everything. This journey will help you silence the doubt and hesitation holding you hostage, build confidence that impacts your faith, your work, and your life, and lead with genuine purpose and boldness. This is your transition from the comfort of silence to the power of standing in your full potential. You were created for a life that impacts the world, not for a seat on the sidelines. Your next 40 days can change your legacy. Stop waiting, start leading, and order your copy today.